This life of spiritual execution cannot be hampered by any material condition. From Srimad Bhagavatam, we understand that savai punsa paro dharma jato bhakti radhokhaj. That is the highest type of religious performances by which one can achieve the perfection of loving God. Jato bhakti radhakas. Bhakti means to offer transcendental loving service to the Supreme Lord. Bhakti. Bhajadhata Sivaya. Bhaj. Bhaj dhatu, it is a verb. Bhaj. Bhaj means to render service. Just like servant renders service to the master, friend service to the friend, render service to the friend, wife renders service to the husband, husband renders service to the wife. This service rendering process is going on everywhere. No, nobody is absolute that he does not render service to anyone. That is not possible. I have repeatedly explained that if somebody has no master to serve, he voluntarily accepts a cat or dog as his master. Susta serve. The nice name is pet dog, but it is serving. The mother serves the child. So one who has no child, he takes the cat as her child and serves. So the service mode is going on everywhere. But the highest perfection of service is when we learn to serve the Supreme Absolute Lord. That is called bhakti. And that bhakti, execution of service to the Lord, is ahoituki. Just like we have got some little examples. This mother is serving the child not with any expectation. She loves to serve the child. She wants to see the child is in comfort. The child does not feel any discomfiture. That is her pleasure. There is no reason why she is loving. That is natural. Similarly, when we invoke our natural love for God, that is the highest perfection of religious principle. Ahituki apratihata. Apratihata means it cannot be checked by any material condition. Just like you want to chant Hare Krishna, this is service, this is the beginning of service. Chanting the glories of the Lord, or praying the Lord, Hare, oh the energy of the Lord, Krishna, oh Lord, please engage me in your service. This is the prayer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, repeatedly. Please engage me, please engage me. But God can give you many things. Whatever you want, He is giving. Jijathamang prapadanti. He can give you even salvation. But very rarely He gives you the chance of serving Him. So service is not an ordinary thing.